So am I supposed to be saying something?
Are you gonna start your show?
It's Raw Radio, man. I'm just here to I'm the messenger, man. But you must tune in to really get what I'm telling you about this right here, man. It's Raw Radio and it's real, man. So you gonna hear it, you gonna listen to it and be like, you know what? When that dude had said, I like to have got it. When I was tuning in, I like to have got what he was saying if I could have tuned it in, but I missed it because I tuned in at 10 and it was 7 to 9. I told you, you know what? 7 to 9. Mondays and Fridays, 760-825-0966. My boo, my lady, drummer cat, Sharon Tariq, and my boy, Mr. Raw. Raw Radio. Holla.
Sacktown's finest. You know how we doing it at the Raw Radio Show, man. We definitely get it in for the, the 916, man, and surrounding areas. That's Paco Villa right there, man, holding it down with some of that summer flavor, man. So, Paco Villa, tell us a little bit about what you got going on and a little bit of flavor, what you got, man.
Man, I'm Paco Villa, representing the 916. I just finished the mixtape Cali Sunshine. That's going to be free download if you go to my fan page on Facebook. Paco Villa, all capitals, P-A-C-O-V-I-A. Working on the debut album now, about 8 songs in.
V-I-A?
V-I-A, yes.
Okay.
Paco
Wow.
Villa, everything.
That's
you know what I'm saying? Hey, that's what I'm talking about, man. Hey, 916, man, y'all out there represent, man. If y'all out there listening, you know what I'm saying? Give Paco a holler right now on the radio show.
Paco Villa YouTube.
760-825-0966. Oh, we got a caller?
Caller.
Yeah, let's get these callers in, man. We like to get the callers in. Show some love. What's going on out there, caller? Go ahead, holler at us, caller. What's going on with you? I hear you breathing.
Is Paco over there?
Yeah, Paco's
Paco Villa right here. What's up?
What's up, Paco? It's Amber. I just thought I'd
Holla. What's up, Amber?
call it and show.
Hell yeah, show some love. No one
Not
else is fucking.
How's it going, man?
Hey,
I'm really happy. I'm really happy that you made it on there.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's
And
not the
you're doing
first
good,
one, but it won't be the last either.
I just want to show you some respect and some mad love.
Hell yeah, thank you. I love you back.
All right, well, I gotta go because I got a baby.
All right, bye.
That's what I'm talking
bye,
about.
Paco.
Raw Radio, fans is calling in. Paco is holding it down.
Somebody loves me. Shit.
Hey, the ladies is calling in.
I've said it before.
Showing love. Showing
You
love.
said it though.
Hey, we getting it in, man. Raw Radio. I got Paco Villa in the building.
What's the name?
The phone callers calling in. They holding it down, man. 916. Y'all
Teddy
represent.
Pendergraft beat, man.
Oh, you gonna take
Check it out. 916 to the Bay.
Go and introduce this one right here, man.
Teddy Pendergraft. No, that's not Teddy Pendergraft. It's Isaac Brothers, man. 916.
We want to keep letting everybody understand what's really going on in the Raw Radio show.
Raw Radio.
We got Paco Villa coming out here, dropping these hot tracks, man. I want to make sure I get him out here and give him his contacts and, some shots out, show some love to his family and peoples out there in the 916 world. You know how we do it. Raw Radio, go ahead and let them know, Paco.
All right, you can email me for job inquiries, features. That's PacoVilla916@gmail.com. Again, that's PacoVilla916@gmail.com. Like I said, like the fan page on Facebook. That's Paco Villa, all capital letters, P-A-C-O-V-I-A. Then I got the regular Facebook page. That's the personal one, Paco Villa, just spelled regular. And they got the Instagram, Paco Villa. It's Paco Villa everything on mine. If you Google Paco Villa, you'll see my shit too. So I'm with Hunter Racks, Hunter Racks. I'm supporting them. Shout out to my homeboy Chico Ray, at Street Life ENT. I am the CEO of Warrior Blood ENT. Shout out to my artist, Cricket Halo, Shout out to Diz Latin Soccer Don Changoline, We out here, we all fucking with each other, man, out here. So
yeah,
it's a movement and it's a fun ride.
See, that's what I'm talking about. Paco out here holding it down.
We got a caller.
916, man. If y'all out there represent, give my man a call right here.
Go Toes, Diz Latin.
Yes, sir. We got a caller, man. Let's get these callers in, man. They showing love to Paco right now.
Caller.
What's going on out there, caller? What's good?
Come on, caller. Go talk.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. This is Paco Villa's mother.
Oh, Mama called.
Hello, Mama Paco.
Yeah.
Mama.
Shout out to Mama Paco. That's what I'm
Mama
talking
Villa.
about.
I just want to say that everybody's got to listen to his music because it's really, really good.
Yeah, hot tracks.
Can't go wrong with a plug.
You know,
for mom.
shout out to,
One person and my mama love me, so
look, that's all they
good.
down right there.
Yeah.
Look, you made it.
Shout out to my mom. And the whole Castellano family. Shout out to everybody too.
Yeah, shout out to the family,
There you
definitely.
go.
Shout out to Mama
So don't
Via.
forget your grandma,
And my
grandpa,
son.
everybody else, and your
My
mama.
son, Little Via.
Look, get the whole fam. Shout out to Mama Via for calling in and support, man.
I love you all.
That's real fam right there.
Okay.
Without them or nothing.
Okay,
I love you all.
thank you.
Thank you for
I'll be
calling in.
Yes, yes.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Mama Via calling in, man. That's what I'm talking about. Mama's representing, showing love, man. That's what we need more of, man. Y'all pay attention to this movement right
I'm
here,
a risen
man.
dude.
Yeah, hey, look, this is how we do it, man. You know, we get it, we make it happen, and we definitely appreciate the, you know, the callers and the love that your family and everybody that's calling in, you know, supporting you. You know what I'm saying? We need more of that.
Follow,
you know what I'm
man.
saying?
Please follow, and I hope you like it. I got good stuff coming out.
Shout out to
All I need is your ears.
Paco Villa. Shout out to Mama Villa out there, man.
Mama Via.
I like that, man. That's respect. So,
Well, let's hit you with a gangster song, shit. I mean,
hey, let's go.
I'm smooth and I'm rough.
Let's get it in.
So on my back with Don Chonolini and Sleep Gang. You know, we in the building.
Tuck your toes.
We're on radio.
Giving up the talent, you know.
Alright, what's up?
So if there's anything out there you want to, you know, say to anybody before we go, you know, please let them know.
Just, you know, don't ever be afraid to chase anything that you want in your life. Don't let no one tell you that you can't do nothing. I feel that anything's possible as long as you're trying for it.
Right.
So that's something I teach my son. I love you, Paco, at home. You know, hope you're listening. And listen, like I said, I'm loving the ride. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm having fun on the trip. So
It's fun.
We'll all meet up at the top.
big things are coming, man. Don't sleep on me. I'm telling you.
We'll all meet up at the top. We, you know, the very top. You know what I'm saying? Raw Radio, we getting it in. Paco Villa, man. I definitely appreciate you coming out.
Thanks for having me.
You know, showing some love. And we get in. Shout out Paco Villa, man. Raw Radio,
man. My pleasure.
We gonna get it in with DJ Fixation one track and come right back, man. We gonna get some more in right now. Raw Radio. Shout out to Paco Villa. You know, we're gonna get shit out here real quick and gonna show some love. Raw Radio.
Let's rock.
One more again. Paco Villa, man.
Via!
Raw Radio.
Raw Radio. Yes. Yes. Raw Radio. What are you waiting for? Change your channel. Please log on. Raw Radio. Yes. Raw Radio. What are you waiting for? Change your channel. Please log on. Raw Radio. Yes. Raw Radio. Yes. Raw Radio. Yes. It's 760-825-0966, and that's where it's at.